Hello everyone, Nancy here with the Joyful Cottage. Well, we've made a lot of progress in the bathroom renovation this week, and I'm ready to show you some highlights.
You can actually reuse that one if you wanted. But
I don't want to, but
yeah, well,
wow.
just put it in if you can in the truck one piece because it's easier to throw away.
Yeah.
That made it easier.
I mean, gosh. That was so much easier than the other ones.
I guess it is.
This is Tuesday morning, and I want to show you what's been accomplished so far. So, pretty much the gypsum board has been taken down. Not sure what we're going to do on this wall or not, if we'll take that down or just leave it up. But it's much easier to work with a blank canvas than it is to try to repair walls. So, yeah. And so he's moved the electrical, put in new electrical boxes, which you can kind of see before they're just kind of loosey-goosey inside the wall, which is crazy. But I guess at that time they didn't have the codes that they used to have where you needed to use electrical boxes. But Curtis is does things right, so he put in electrical boxes. So we moved the electrical from here to, the plumbing from here to here. My vanity will go here. And then we capped off the old plumbing, so that will no longer be in use. And this will be an open space. I plan on putting a piece of furniture here. I hope to find an armoire that I like. And then this is the new electrical box I was telling you about. This is for the light fixture up here. Another, this is the outlet. And I think we're going to put another outlet over here in case I want to put something inside the armoire that needs to be recharged, like my toothbrush or something like that. Whatever, then you could put a hole in the back of the armoire and use that. So just trying to think ahead about how I might use this room. But it's really coming along. It's exciting. I need to paint this cupboard because I'm keeping that. It's got great storage. It's got the drawers. So I'm going to paint that. And I'm not going to tell you why I'm going to paint it. You'll just have to be surprised. So, yeah, lots of progress. And then we had put quite a big hole in the floor to be able to do everything that we need to do with the plumbing and such. So we have a new piece of OSB in there. I think that's what you call it. And he'll put a new one in over here. And then we are going to tile the floor. He's very experienced at that. And I'm really excited about that prospect of having tiled floor in the bathroom. Yeah, and tomorrow morning I'm going to have a painting contractor come and give me a bid to paint the popcorn ceiling because I do not want to get up there and do it myself, not with the skylight. So, yeah. Somebody asked me about the bathtub. The bathtub is not going away. It's going to stay. I'm going to paint it. And we'll do something interesting around the surround here. I'm planning on putting up beadboard around the room, and I'd like to do beadboard in the front of this as well. So I think it'd be really pretty.
Sand grab it. Come on. I know you can do it. I know you want to do it. Have my smaller knife. Not sure, gotta make this look nice so that way when you open your vanity, I mean, it's not, you don't see it a lot, but you will see it on occasion.
And every time I do, I will think of you.
Why am I down here? I would just get this first coat off so tomorrow sand down a little bit, do a better coat on it.
Okay.
Inevitably you drop a big dollop of it and then you walk over it and then you walk into your house and
then the dog runs through it.
yeah. That's exactly it.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, seeing what we've done so far. It's been a lot of fun and exciting too, because I can see the end in sight. It's very close. I mean, we're closing in on it. I want to share a scripture today. This is really my prayer for you, my friends, all of you who faithfully watch and comment and have helped me to feel encouraged as I share on this channel. This is 2 Thessalonians 3, verse 5. May the Lord direct your hearts to the love of God and to the steadfastness of Christ. So that's my prayer for you, my friends. I hope you're having a good weekend, and I hope that you're at peace and you're content and that you're enjoying life with God. I'll talk to you again soon. God bless you.